Monday, January 30th, following up on T-Mobile again. You can see here I exited my position at 146.90, bought it at 146.83. So essentially a break-even trade, very small gain. I was trying to scale out, like I discussed in the last video, 147.15. I just missed it. So that was up here. Bottom line is I bought it here on the 1 minute chart at the blue line. We've kind of grinded up a little bit, just missed my break-even point, which was right around there. So I just missed it. I'm watching it closely, had the big red move down. Then we're kind of pausing in here, and as it comes back down, I exit, right here, 146.90. And at this point, it's just a trade that managing risk is more important than anything else. I just thought I'd follow up. When I enter these aggressive trades, like on the 1 minute chart, then you start kind of seeing the domino effect, how the 15-minute, you're anticipating at that point, obviously, as we come down here, it started up here and then it came down. I bought at the blue line. You're watching the 15-minute chart. It came up inside bar. It tried to break up above that to reach that first target. It missed it. Then we have the shooter bar, and now we have a 2 down bar. So, you can kind of judge these trades. This is what I say when I want my trades to kind of immediately go my way. I look to scale out. So if you have a big reversal, you're at no risk. When you don't scale out, I kind of watch the 15-minute chart, and this should have been a 2 up bar or a inside bar that closed green, then had an upward bar that closed green and went higher, but it didn't. So, that's kind of the way you just manage your risk. Now, I still like the upside on this stock. It went up big. It's just consolidating in this area. I actually see if we can get a 15-2 up, it should then start up maybe by the end of the day. But at this point, I didn't get there the way I would have liked pretty immediately. So I'm just out at break even though it's still consolidating in this area. And I'm still technically in, I would have been in near this blue line down here on this little pullback. But anyway, just showing you kind of the logic of how controlling risk to me is much more important. I could see it's heading up here again now. So maybe if I would have held on, it never would have reached my entry point. And now this is the move to start up back towards these highs. But anyway, break even trade, no big deal. It was kind of an afternoon kind of trade anyway, but good trade location within the context of the strat, definitely puts you in a position to manage risk in a good way, win or lose. But in this case, I'm always looking to go to break even once something moves my way, and I'm always looking to scale out really to lower my break-even point. So that's just an example of a break-even trade, and there's always another trade right around the corner.